Wipe her out. She should have been gone, bruh. Let's get her out of here. Gone. Oh, shit. Let me be now, Phantom. What the bum? What percent? Bloods. Yo. Nah, the ladies are too good. We thought the nightmares were bad. The ladies are fucking. Oh, there he is. Yeah. Love is always real. The lady.
YouTube might talk about back today. Holy crazy, man. Bro, Baku. They're gonna try to save them, which oh, how do you save like race or not a race? Race then race, but I don't think she's out. She's somewhere. So we're done. Teleport to that white room. Or they're gonna this was and which oh, that's it. It's gone. You don't see. Right. Wait, so does this mean the police force still understand that this is not a prison in the world, or are they just completely forgot about that? Got knocked still. Oh, she erased from me. What are you going? How? Where is she? You know where she is, gang? To prefer all her capsule, everything. Erased is. This. Hey, you see, that's like, well, they're safe now. This season. Baku. If there was gonna be over here in limbo with a oh she erased. That's a bit. That's kind of sad, yo. Why you hear Naruto's voice like that? And he's like, hey now, that's it. That's a. Where are you swimming? Ooh. Where is he swimming to? That's what I'm confused about. Oh, what the? Oh, that's Phantom. Phantom mad as fuck right now. That's the daughter. But I tear your ass up. Who you?
Zeztz Exdream の力をよこしなさい。
Lost your goddamn mind. Boy, hold up. We wipe her out. She should have been gone, bruh. Let's get her out of here. Gone. Oh, shit. Blaming him? Yeah. Bring your power with my. Recreate NEM. Not even gonna be the real number charge. This is gonna be out. Fuck up. The ideal of NEM. Phantom talking, that's not lady. Was. I wish they separated the two, lady and I wish Phantom had over the lady. Got rid of the ladies. God, dang, she gone, bro. They're making promises. I don't know for sure you can. That's what's welcome. Truth. But alchemist shit. Just imagine you just saw him smile. Right there. Ruth. Good for the privilege.
何してんだ。はいだよ。
小高さんの会社化復帰に関しては
What the fuck? Are you serious?
そうか。
This man was a terrorist. This man should be under watch. He's talking about they reinstated his what?
おかえり。
Fuck Haiti. Nigga, get the fuck out of here, bro.
干渉に
Man should have kept being as long.
状況はどうなった？
And the world's safe, man. There's no more nightmares.
悪夢は終わった。
World's safe.
すべての人が戻ってるか早急に確認するぞ。
はい。
そうか。
Ah, man. Let the disaster come. That's it.
何してるんですか？
夢に潜入するんだ。
は？
枕元に見たい夢を置いて。ネムは自分の意志で決めた。ゼッツすらその結末は変えられない。だったら開示化がゼッツを超えてやる。
What the hell is he?
馬鹿げてる。これからの命を見ろ。それを守るのが警察。バカだろうとなんだろうと全て救う。これが俺たち3人が叶える夢だ。
Oh, wait, y'all. I'm confused.
目を覚ませ。
What are y'all? Hey, Nimble, that's why are they moving like
で
this?
すよね。
Not you two.
なんか
The brains.
でも目のままれずに警察官を名乗りたくない。
Hurt to Yo.
勝手にしろ。
I am lost. What does them sleeping
バク。
have to do with them? Like a coloring book, you know, those washable, those markers that like bring out the secret ink. That's what it is. But how is she really forgotten though? They remember her, so if they were like forgotten, I forgot what like the idea of forgetting. Not a persona, that an anime.
幻影の虜になっているあなたを眺めるのが快感だったけど、
Oh, she forgot her. Is this?
もう絶好に
Oh shit!
安心して
Looks like the Phantom really.
あの子を形色に作り直し
Oh, she's.
楽しむ
Looks like she's done with the lady. Oh. Oh. Okay.
何のつもり？
うん
ありがとう。
母になる夢を叶えてくれて。でもあの子の母は
Oh, the lady's devious.
私だ。
Bruh. Not the lady fucking wiping out Phantom. What the bum pussy bloods? Yo. Nah, the ladies are Twitter. We thought the nightmares were bad. The ladies are fucking good. Yo. Like homegirl from Kamen Rider Amazon right now. What the hell? Nah, she made herself like the AI green, whatever you're bending.
私は眠らない。
Yeah, she can't.
夢を見ない女。
Don't.
本望よ。
What is she about to do? The Phantom? Everybody just. Oh, what the what? Used. Nah, that was a power play from the lady, bro. Talking about she did her soul. Who wanted to deal in the. about to do.
いつも一人で背負うなバカ兄貴。バクを一人にはしない。
Fucking up.
あなただってそうだよ。ネムちゃん。
俺は忘れない。世界一の愛され者で正義感にあふれてた君よ。
私たちは一緒に戦った仲間だった。そうでしょネムちゃん。あなたがいたから私とバクはまた家族になれた。
忘れたなんて言わせないぞ。
私に大切なものを思い出させておいてあなたが忘れているわけないでしょ。そうだよ私たちを覚えてるんだから。
帰ってこいレム。
Somebody come out and tell myself, thank you for bringing me back, baby. Let's get this party started. Just blow up the whole place, bro. How you doing it? Oh, her memories are coming back. Hey guys, no, family hasn't shown. What you know? What we like every time. Barely hug. What type of person? Cringing so. Oh, there he is. Yeah. Wait. Know what I say? Just sacrifice the whole world. Bro, Oblivion knew this shit. When you gonna do that? I better get answered. Better get active. Yeah, Dekirida. Hit that nigga with a tail beast bomb. Hit him with a tail beast bomb. How they swimming? Hit this man with a tail beast bomb. Go Biju mode, bro. Do Biju mode. Lady. Head gang. Something, I don't know what that. My song is gone. Or is she about to find it? What is that symbol like? That definitely. Maybe this flower eyes or something. That flower 100%. Crazy, but love was always real. The lady, the mad bitch, crazy witch. Respect you. Bruh, she died, yo. Please stay dead. This sounds so fucked up, but story better. Sucks that Nemo Chan. What kind of awful game type of shit? Nah, the squad pulling up. Good. Back into it. Oblivion. Brother, how are we gonna negate? Please don't say that. Version.
次はいつ帰ってくる？
Yo. Better erase. Better use all his pop. Better erase himself. What? I mean, I feel like this is the necessary.
バカに
Let him die. Yeah. Been abusing that dream diving power a bit too. Power is finally full now. Then when Goku was abused, alright, it's time to see how they about it. I have Fella Knight. That's what I would have thought of the opera. Yeah.
I'm on it. Pension.
Last album. Man, what a ride. Them. Oh, no. Come on, bro. What's those versions of the comic they make? This one for Zeztz will be crazy, I know. I hope it's not powerful. Gotta be an actor. I gotta mutate. Gotta become the. That's too bad. Body has to be from diving back and forth. But you gotta surpass Dream. Oh, is that the power of Nembu-chan? Oh, I guess because she.
私の夢は叶ったから
Oh, you hear the opening.
された記憶は
Yeah.
辛いことでも
Once you hear the opening, you already know what the villain's about to get his ass whooped.
もう絶対に忘れない
Oblivion about to- Oblivion is about to get his ass whooped. So what? The power of racing needs to work on Zeztz? Oh, never mind. This. Opening. Opening. Oh. Hold on. Nox is about to get too. Nox walking hella quick. Hold up, no. Walking up so saucy.
I'm on it.
What the? Here's last episode.
俺たちに刻まれた思いをお前なんかに消されてたまるかさあ
Uh,
夢を叶えよう
oh shit! What the fuck is that? What is that form? What is that form? Oh, there's a Kamen Rider Myth. Kamen Rider Myth. He's right there. Oh, he's making his cameo. Yo, hold up. What was that
俺たちに
form?
刻まれた思いをお前なんかに消されてたまるかさあ夢
Yo, no, that's clean. What is that form? Nah,
叶えよう
that's the purple Zeztz. I mean, we had purple Zeztz, but Kamen Rider Myth. Yeah, guys, the last episode. What? Ellie. Man, this feel like it flew by. Next week is the Rider Zeztz. It's so crazy for me. Felt like this. Yes, man. Dog, this is peak. This is peak, bro. Prom, man. Well, let me know what you guys think down below, man. Let me hear your. I actually want to hear you. Let me know down below. Like the video, subscribe, stay. Hey, next week. Goku Bar.